Hey everybody, welcome back to Hugo House. Today let's take a look at this rolling bungalow tiny house that can roll along wherever you go. This tiny house is absolutely delightful, and the best part is it can go anywhere you do because it's on wheels. It's also designed that can easily be built yourself. So if you're up for the task of building a small house, you'll want to take a look at these free small house design plans for the 160 square foot rolling bungalow. This wonderful small house design is called the Rolling Bungalow, and if you like it, you can download the free small house design plans to build it yourself. If you do all of the small house design labor yourself, it costs an estimated $17,000 to build, and you can build this small house design on a 7-foot by 20-foot trailer. Once the home is built, in total there's 160 square feet of living space inside this tiny house design without including the sleeping lofts, and the overall footprint is 8 feet by 6 inches by 20 feet. This small house design is stunning inside and out. The interior look of this small house design is quite beautiful. Just by using wood throughout, it gives a cozy and warm feeling to the place. This charming tiny house on wheels would work for a single person wanting to downsize to a smaller space. They could even live in it full time. Or the small house would work for someone or even a small family who were in need of a vacation home in a location for the perfect getaway retreat. You might even consider this one to use as a backyard office, artist studio, writer retreat, or additional space on your property. With more and more small house design ideas becoming available all over the country, there's sure to be something to suit most anyone. Tiny houses are usually less than 1,000 square feet. Frequently, the distinction is made between small houses built on foundation that are between 400 square feet and 1,000 square feet, and tiny houses that are built on trailers which are usually less than 400 square feet, with some small house design plans as small as 80 square feet. Downsizing to a small house design is a great way to do away with large mortgages, electric bills, and all the stuff that goes into a large house, and a way to live a more sustainable lifestyle. This is just one of the many designs that you can find online to use for your own tiny house design. But with plenty of unique small house design ideas out there, you can also create your own tiny house design from scratch with the help of a designer. Some people also make tiny houses out of small prefab sheds, teardrop campers, caravans, vans, old cottages, and much more. When you remodel a small space to function as a tiny home, it could be less pricey than building a brand new home from the beginning. You'll also be keeping a memory of the past to carry forward into the future, which is always something to be proud of. And if you like this video, consider dropping a like. It really helps this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. We're going to be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.